What's going on, everybody? Jordan Steen, serial entrepreneur here, and in this video we're going to teach you how I've been able to get so many subscribers over the last few months so quickly. We're at a rate of about 1,100. We're approaching 1,500 subscribers per month very quickly, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So pay attention, here we go. Okay guys, so like I said, my name is Jordan Steen, aka Serial Entrepreneur, and if you're not familiar with this brand, essentially we teach everything about social media marketing, digital marketing, starting an online business, personal branding, social media marketing, agencies, whatever you can possibly think of with regards to starting an online brand. So if you're looking to learn more about how to do this the right way, in that bottom right hand corner, just click that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you can get updates to all of our content. It's all free, so you might as well hit the notification bell so you can learn for free. Outside of that, we do free giveaways every single week on our Thursday live training videos where we go live. You get to talk to me, and we give away a free course every single Thursday. So another reason for you to want to join. But let's talk about how I've been able to get so many subscribers so quickly over the last few months, and it's because of a couple of adjustments that we've made in our YouTube channel. So we've had a YouTube channel since about 2017, a little bit into 2017 we started this channel, and we really wanted to figure out what it was that helped our channel do so well in the beginning and figure out why we dropped off. And it really came down to understanding a couple things. Number one, your thumbnails and your titles. Those are super important. So you have to have great thumbnails and you have to have great titles because that's like the subject line for an email. But outside of that, the biggest thing that you have to do is provide content that people are searching for. All right. And so what that means is you have to actually do research into keywords that people are using to search for specific video topics. And then you're going to build your content based around that. Outside of that, you have to create a great video. You have to have good production. You need to have good video editing, good audio quality, good video quality. All of that is stuff that you have to make sure is in line. So, that comes down to you finalizing and fine-tuning your production process. But when it comes to making sure that you actually get the traffic to those videos that you work so hard to create, it comes down to doing the keyword research. So let me show you one tool that I have used over the last several months that has helped me spike my viewership rate, my subscriber rate, my average duration. It's been amazing because it's helped us increase our sales about 30% to 50% month to month over the past 4 to 5 months. So it's been fantastic. So let's show you guys how to use this tool really quickly. Basically, and just a quick, so you guys believe me when I tell you this, this is Serial Entrepreneur's channel. This is actually for views right here. So you can see views, and this is since July 2017. You can see right here we were doing okay, and then we started to slowly pick up in January. That's why I said the last several months, we started to really figure it out. And that's where you can see the views just started skyrocketing, right? So now that we've fine-tuned our process and we have a regular stream of these types of videos coming out that we've created, we have a lot more people subscribing and a lot more viewers. So I'll even show you subscribers is basically looking the same way. You can see a huge spike in our subscribers. We're over 1,073 per month, and this is growing every single day. So I wouldn't be surprised if in another couple of weeks to 3 weeks, maybe a month, we're at about 2,000 subscribers per month, which is going to be awesome. So that means we'll hit our 20K goal for the end of this year. So let's go into this a little bit further. What am I doing to actually get this done? So the tool is called VidIQ, and let me show you just really quickly how to set up this tool, how to use it. If you don't have it, all you have to do is go to Chrome Web Store and you can download it. It is a plugin that you put into your browser. You can see right here, this is VidIQ. It's free. That's another good thing. Obviously, they have a free version. There's also a paid version where you get like more tags, more suggestions, more template features, all kinds of different things. So you can look at the paid version if you want. But if you just want to use the free version, then they obviously have the free version, which is really cool. And that's what we use. We don't even pay for it just yet, just because we don't feel like we need the paid version. I think eventually we will, so we can really take advantage of all that it has to offer. But for right now, it's working out for us, and we want to keep testing it and seeing, what we can really get out of it, So that's the tool right there. So how do we use this? Well, basically, if you're starting a channel, and I'll show you kind of how we used it for the new course that we're launching. We're launching a course at the end of August this year, 2018, that's going to go into basically personal branding and influencer marketing. So if you're looking to start a YouTube channel like I've been able to do, or become an influencer online with social media, then that's what this course is going to teach you how to do. So if you are interested in that, make sure you stay tuned. We're launching our pre-sale for $2.99 instead of $12.99. So you guys are going to want to make sure you stay tuned for that. Outside of that, guys, so we're creating content on personal branding. So how do we actually, figure out what types of videos we want to start releasing on personal branding? Because we haven't done this before, right? My channel is all about social media marketing and entrepreneurship, stuff like that. So we want to teach people more about personal branding. So what we've done is, we'll start with a high level search category like personal branding. That's high level. The more specific with intent you go, that's lower level. That's like less competitive channels can compete here. So if you're a newer channel, you would want to go with more specific search intent. So personal branding, let's do something like how to start a personal brand. Yep, there would be something pretty good. And so we can get an idea of the search volume and competition score, which the competition, it seems like there's a lot of competition, but not a ton of volume. So we would probably want to stay away from this. So we would go something very specific like personal branding, and we'll find a topic eventually where the search traffic is a little higher and the competition isn't as fierce. So again, we're going to go more specific. So how to create a YouTube channel for a personal brand. And there probably won't be a ton of search traffic for this, but there also won't be a ton of competition either. It's probably just pulling from personal brand then. Personal brand on YouTube, how to convert personal YouTube channel to brand channel. So those are all different topics. What I can see is there's not a ton of views in any of these. 16K, 780, but that's only because Gary V, 10K, 6.9K, 17K. So there's definitely some search traffic. That's why you don't always want to rely 100% on this keyword score tool. I don't. It is good for getting an idea, but basically we can see here that there's not a ton, or there's a ton of traffic and not a ton of competition. So we could potentially create a video around this topic. So that's what this does. So what I would do is I'd come into somebody who has a decent video, 8 months ago, 4 months ago, 11 months ago. So I might go a little more up here. How to start a personal brand in 2018. Yeah, 4 months ago. So we're going to look at this guy and see what he posted. We're going to mute Sam Ovens and look at his video tags. So he doesn't know how to do tagging because I wouldn't do Gary V brand. But how to start a personal brand, he is ranking #1 for, which is really good. He's got a lot of comments. A decent amount of views. So this would be a video that I would pretty much try to do myself and in my own way, and it would promote our personal branding course. But how do we focus on getting the traffic and the views? By finding keywords like this, like how to create a YouTube channel for a personal brand. We're going to take that and we're going to look at people's tags. So tags are essentially what go into the video itself, and this is what you actually will put in for YouTube to look and say, okay, well, we're a search engine. These are the tags that are relating to this video. So when people search for this topic up here, that's when we're going to show this video. All right. So that's why these tags are important. It helps you do your tag strategy. It helps you look at things like their channel tags, what people they're trying to target here, all kinds of different things. What the engagement rate was like on this video, what the view rate was like, the VidIQ score, the overall score, the SEO score. So we could have done better on his SEO with probably his title and his video file name, his thumbnail file name, all of that. He hasn't shared it on Facebook. He doesn't have any cards or end screens. And he hasn't pinned a comment. So all of those are suggestions that it's saying, hey, if you do this to your video, it will perform better. And these are all the things that we started implementing into our channel. Now let's look at it on the back end. The cool thing about using VidIQ on the back end is that it helps you do all of that with your tags, with your description, and everything that I was just mentioning. There's also another tool that we're starting to look at, which we'll talk about a little on another video, but for now we're going to look at VidIQ. All right, so with VidIQ, you can see basically we have the tags here, and we can see which tags we're ranking for. We have our overall SEO score, our tag count, volume, keywords in title, triple keywords, all of that. So you can see we have our tag rankings right here, and that's why I love this. It shows you if anything's missing on the video. See, I obviously know something's missing now. Now I can go in and correct it, and it should perform better. So we have our tags. So when we set up our tags, it gives you suggestions. The tags need to relate to the title and to the keywords used in your description. We basically take all of the variations of this title using the keywords in the title and copy and paste them. So I'll do like, I'd copy and paste that. I'd copy and paste get social media marketing agency clients. I'd do free marketing audit tool to get social media marketing. I'd copy and paste that. There's all kinds of different things, and you can see free marketing audit tool, best free marketing tools. All of these are keywords. And then the cool thing is, so if I typed in like marketing tools, you can see VidIQ actually starts to suggest other keywords that might be useful for this video topic. So you can see why this is useful. And then again, it shows you your overall VidIQ score, which we have a 70 out of 100. It's very hard to get above like 70, 75, even 80. If you're getting above, I'd say 70. That's what we usually aim for, is to get a 70 plus on our VidIQ SEO score. And that's usually good for us. And the cool thing is, if we do the rest of these things right here, we'll get a better overall SEO score here too. The one thing that was keeping us from getting a better SEO score is our tag volume. And that's because that's basically search volume for each tag, and what the unfortunate thing is, there's not a ton of search volume for specific topics like this, so it's a little harder for us to get volume in there. But again, that's why we're happy with what we're getting with this. The tag count is how many tags you actually have in here, so make sure you fill that bad boy up. Cards are the cards in the video, so you need to have those. Tag volume is, again, how much traffic is going to each tag. Keywords in title, basically your keywords up in your title need to be in your keywords in your description and in your tags. Your keywords in description, obviously, same thing there. Tripled keywords mean you have them in your title, in your description, and in your tags. That's tripled, all right? And you want to do that. You want to have them in all three. Your rank tags, right here, you can see we're ranking, so good. That's going to show up here. High volume rank tags, we don't have any of those because there's no high volume traffic for this specific niche. And then that's basically it. All of the other ones are pretty straightforward. Added it to a playlist, so I could easily come in here, and this is landing clients. So we would do landing clients, SEO, walkthroughs, and boom, now we have playlists. Save it. And the cool thing is, any changes we make, it'll update over here. Once we refresh, boom, we're all good. You can see it was added to a playlist. So we'll update the other stuff later, but this is the tool that I'm using, and that's how to use it. It's not that difficult. And it seriously has helped us tremendously with our traffic to our YouTube channel, which has, again, helped us with sales, helped us with all kinds of different stuff as far as getting people to our brand, getting new engagement, getting new followers, all of that. So I hope this video was super helpful for you. And if it was, do me a favor, throw a thumbs up so that way other people can see this video. Other people are looking for tools like this and they want to see it just like you do. So throw the thumbs up on there so that way they can see it too. Outside of that, again, make sure to subscribe because we give away all kinds of tools and free resources and things to help with your social media marketing agency, your personal brand, your influencer brand, whatever it is that you're trying to do online to build a business. That's what we create all of this content for. So thank you guys very, very much. Let me ask you a question. Did you even know that your tags had something to do with your ranking your videos on YouTube? If you did, write yes. If you didn't, write no. Thanks for this tool, Jordan. Love you very much. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. Until next time, Serial Entrepreneur out. Ready to start living the six-figure work wherever, be your own boss lifestyle? Well, at Serial Entrepreneur Academy, we'll teach you how to use a laptop and internet to start your own social media and digital marketing agency. Get started with our free Facebook ads training. Links in the description below, guys. See you in the course. Serial Entrepreneur out.